How to remove card from Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your card from Spotify. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone and now make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, what you can do is you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you are inside the settings and privacy, what you can do is you can just tap on your plan option from the menu, and there you will see your current subscription and payment details. And there, to remove your card, you first need to cancel your premium plan. So there, click on cancel premium and follow the confirmation step. And once your premium subscription ends, Spotify will automatically remove your card details from the account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.